Welcome back, everyone. It's outside in Michigan. My name is Dean. It's been a while since I posted a video. Did some shorts, but yeah, ever since October hit for bow season, and then November 15th for the Michigan firearm deer season, we are now into December, and getting back in the woods with the chainsaws instead of the rifle. So working on getting some wood for next year's campfires. So like you guys know, I got a lot of poplar on my property. So right behind my deer blind, there's a poplar that is a blowdown. So I am going to work on cutting that up, and I'm gonna make a trail through here too. So working on firewood and working on trails today. So I thought I'd bring you along. I got the 362 with me. I got the 500i also, but I'm using the 362 right now. I gotta show that saw some love. I haven't used it quite as often as I used to after I bought the 500i. So okay, I got the poplar limbed and marked. So let's go ahead and cut her up in 16-inch pieces. So let's get to it. Alright guys, just a short distance away from where that poplar was is this ash tree that's blown down. It's kind of suspended there up off the ground. It's just on the ground right there. I'm sure the end here is probably pretty rotten, but I'm going to go ahead and cut into this and see how it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day out here in the woods. I'll turn the camera around here and show you what we got. Got the truck loaded up, a bunch of ash and a little bit of poplar. Got the four-wheeler back loaded up. So yeah, I did things a little bit differently this time. I didn't bring the dump trailer. Like we've had a couple of nice days the last few days, but we've been getting a lot of rain. So I didn't want to get stuck with the dump trailer. So I just loaded it up in the back of the truck. This way I can get the four-wheeler home. I don't have to come back and make two trips. But I got a pretty good load in the back of the truck. It's squatting pretty good, so hopefully I can get out of here okay. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. I appreciate you checking this one out. Like I always say, stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.